Hello students, in the last video we had studied the lesson safety outside the home, in which we had studied about the traffic signals. Then we had studied the safety rules to prevent accidents on the road, and we had studied how accident may take place in some other situation also. Okay, and in today's video we are going to do the revision of the same lesson. So let's get started. EVS lesson 6, safety outside the home. Revision. In this revision we are going to do the vocabulary from the lesson, the keywords, revision from the textbook and the notebook, and we are going to do two activity which will be a homework for you, activity 1 and activity 2. Okay, so first I'll show the photos. Just wait students, don't go away, don't stop the video. Since it is a revision of the lesson, I'll show all the pictures again so that those who have missed on can see it again. See, the child is crossing at the zebra crossing when the vehicle has stopped. So it is good, it will avoid accidents. You have to wait for the traffics to stop before you cross the road. You should never play in the middle of the road. See, you can see the cycle coming and they are playing in the middle of the road, so it is unsafe behavior. The boy is cycling, riding a cycle, and see how he is cycling in a crooked manner. So you have to drive cycle or ride a cycle in a proper way, proper manner, from one side only. The vehicle is going, vehicles may come from behind also, so it may lead to some accident. So you should ride cycle properly. Then walk from on the footpath. Wherever footpath is there, you have to walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, we walk from the left side of the road. Then here you can see the zebra crossing, see the lights also, see the vehicle whether it is stopped or no. If the vehicles are stopped, then you can cross the road. See, this is a unsafe, you may fall. He wants to get down, so he's trying to get down from the moving bus, so not good. See, he's trying to board the bus, moving bus, he wants to go inside, so he's trying to run and catch the bus. He may fall and meet with some accident. Cross at the zebra crossing, seeing both the when the road is clear. Then you should never play in the middle of the road. You can see the vehicle coming and the child is playing in the middle of the road. Traffic lights, red light tells us that stop, yellow light tells us be ready, and green light tells us go. Always stand in a line when you want to board a bus. Whenever you want to cross a road, now you're small, you have to hold the hand of your parents or any elderly person. Don't cross the road alone. See, you can see children are crossing the road from the zebra crossing with their parents, or somebody is there with them, elderly person. See, he's driving cycle fast, and at the turning you can see signal is turning there, so it's a very unsafe. Whenever you are riding a cycle, see to it that you're wearing headgears, means helmet or like this, so that your head is safe. If you fall, nothing, it should not hurt, you should not get hurt on your head. Okay, and don't try to ride a cycle very fast. Some children have a habit of doing racing with other vehicles. They are big vehicles and cycle is small, so don't try to race. See, when the child was very careless, he got hurt. He was keeping his hand out of the bus, like sitting and keeping his arm out. So other bus just dashed him and he got hurt. See, you can see here. The child was keeping his hand like this, and other bus just passed by and he got hurt. Always see and cross the road, whether you are on cycle or a walking. Some places there are no traffic signals, so there are traffic policemen to guide the traffic, and you should follow him what he's saying. Next is, accident may take place on road, and when you are not apart from road, accidents also takes place. Suppose now this child is trying to go in water alone. It is very unsafe. You may drown in the water. They are fighting while playing, they are fighting and may get hurt, so it may lead to some accidents. Never try to go for swimming alone. See to it that some elderly person is there with you when you are swimming, because now you are small. Okay, so I have shown enough photos for the lesson. Now let's see the vocabulary of this lesson. Now vocabulary means words from the lesson. We need to learn words, and many times it is a repetition of words, but no problem. Again and again if you repeat, then you will be thorough with the new words. Fine. Now inside, outside, usually, happen, careless, accident, hurry, important, green, red, yellow, traffic, policeman, guides, safety, prevent, zebra crossing, footpath, bicycle, ride, playground, swimming, person. Now, how to remember the spellings? You have to break the word, as I always tell you, to break the word and try to learn the spellings. Just don't mug up spellings. In this way, if you break the word, there is no need of mugging up. You can learn the spellings just by breaking it. Inside, so how you can break in and then side, in, side, SIDE, side. Outside, out spelling OUT, and side, 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 outside. Usually, use US, usually, UA, usually, LLY, usually. Then happen, HAPP, and N, HAPPEN, happen. Careless, care spelling CARE, care, and less, LESS. Accident, ACCI, and dent, DENT, dent. Hurry, hurry, HURR, and Y, hurry. Important, IMM, port, 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 tent, TANT, important. Green, GREE, green, and N sound, N. From the sound only we can make out whether we have to write CH, SH, N, whatever. Red, certain words are very small, no need of breaking. Also red, RED, red. Yellow, yell spelling YELL, and O. W. Yellow. Traffic. TRA. Fic. Double FIC. Fic. Policeman. Police. PO. Police. LIC. Man. Man. So a big spelling, if you break, you learn it easily. Guides. Guy. GUI. Guy. And guides. DES. Guides. Safety. Safe spelling SAFE. Safe. And TY. Safety. Prevent. Pre. And vent. 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 Zebra crossing. Zebra spelling ZEB. Zeb. RA. And crossing. Cross spelling CROSSIN. Crossing. ING. So easy. Footpath. Foot spelling FOOT. Foot and path PATH. Bicycle. By. And sickle. CYCLE. Bicycle. Ride. RI. And when we say ride, what sound is coming? DE. Ride. Playground. Play spelling PLAY. Play. And ground. 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 Swimming. Swim spelling SWIM. Swim. And MING. MING. Swimming. Then person. Per and sun spelling SON. Sun. So see students, it's become so easy. In the starting you will find it little difficult, but every time if you go on practicing, then there will be no problem at all in learning spellings. Okay, now we'll see the keywords from the lesson. Now Q means, what is a Q? Q means it is a line. You have to stand in a line. It's a line means queue. You have to stand in a queue, a line. Zebra crossing. You can see on the road, you can see white strips. Yes, white strips on the road means for crossing the road. That is zebra crossing. Traffic policeman. A person who controls the traffic on the road is known as traffic policeman. Safety means you should be away from danger, so that is safety. Now we'll do the revision from the textbook. We had already done this in the last video, but since this is a revision, we have to do it again. Why we do revision? Revision means again and again learning the same thing for better understanding, and you will remember for a long time. Now look at the pictures and cross out the ones that are unsafe. Which is unsafe behavior? This is pushing. The boy is pushing others, so unsafe. This is safe, no problem, because she is crossing the road at the zebra crossing. Okay. Here last time I said by mistake. Here the boy is crossing the road, the vehicle is coming, then also is crossing the road, so it is wrong actually. Sorry for the last time I said it is right. Standing in a queue or a line at the bus stop, yes, it's good behavior, so it is safe. Here he is breaking the signal, not following the signal, so it is wrong, unsafe. Here the boy is standing near the door to get down, so it is unsafe. Okay, now answer in a few words. Which color in the traffic light tells us to stop? Which color is telling us to stop? Red. You can see the red color is telling us to stop. Who controls the traffic on the road? Traffic policeman tells us to, he controls the traffic on the road. So traffic policeman, don't write only policeman, you have to write traffic policeman. Which side of the road should we walk on? From the left side. Where should we cross the road? At the zebra crossing. At the zebra crossing we should cross, but see to it that there is no vehicle coming from any of the side, means the road should be clear. How should we wait for a bus? In a queue or line. In a queue or a line. So when you understand a question, you can write the right answer. But some children, what they do, they don't try to understand the question, what is asked. Then they make mistake in the exam. So always try to understand what is written, what they are asking, then only write the answer. Now write true or false for each statement. The green light means we can cross the road. Yes. Green light means you can cross the road. We must walk down the middle of the road. Should we walk from the middle of the road? No. So false. We must not cross the road at the zebra crossing. This statement is saying we should not cross from here. So it is wrong. So false. We should wait for a bus to stop before we get on. So when we are getting inside a bus, you should see that the bus is stopped, then only go inside. So true. Children can go for swimming alone. Can they go for swimming alone? No. So false. And here you have to color this. Okay. Now we'll do the revision from the notebook. This notes I will give on WhatsApp when I'll send this lesson video. Lesson 6, safety outside the home. First, fill in the blanks. Some roads have dash crossing. Which crossing? Some roads have zebra crossing. Stand in a dash while you wait for a bus. When you are waiting for a bus, how you should stand? In a queue. Do not dash or dash while playing. When you are playing, you should not push or fight. Do not swim in the dash side of the pool. Which side you should not swim in the swimming pool? Deep side, where it is very deep, गहरा होता है उधर you should not swim. Now second, answer the following. When do accidents occur? Accidents occur when we do not obey traffic rules or traffic signals. See students, accidents when they take place? When we are not following the rules. Whenever we don't follow rules, we meet with accidents. Next, what are the three colors of the traffic signal? What are the three colors of the traffic signal? The colors of the traffic signal are red, yellow and green. Okay, so this was the notes for lesson 6. Now let's see the activity. What activity we have to do for the lesson 6? This lesson, draw and color a traffic signal. What you are going to do? You are going to take a paper, plain paper, and you have to draw a traffic signal like this. Any one traffic signal you have to draw and color it. Then draw and color a zebra crossing. You have to draw zebra crossing. Okay, here. And then you have to keep this record in a file. Fine. So students, we have finished with our revision lesson today. Thank you very much.